Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin yung ating series about rational expressions. No? Sinimulan na natin yung ating discussion. Kung sinusundan nyo itong series na to, sinimulan na natin yung ating discussion on division of rational expressions, and sa previous video ang ginawa natin was to divide rational expressions containing monomials. No? Dito, meron na tayong binomial, saka meron na rin tayong polynomials. No? So let's have our first problem. We have x squared over x squared minus 9 divided by 2x over x minus 3. No? Sabi natin sa previous video, ang gagawin natin is we just copy the dividend and then see if we can factor. No? Yung x squared minus 9 is a difference of two squares, meaning we have x plus 3 over x minus 3. No? So pag difference of two squares, square ito, perfect square, separated by a minus sign. No? Ang factor niyan is the square root of the first term, lagay natin, and then the square root of the second term, ilagay din natin, at yung isa plus, yung isa minus. No? So kung hindi nyo masyadong alam to, I suggest that you watch our video on factoring. Hindi ko na masyadong i-detalye kasi ang assumption ko dito is marunong na kayo mag-factor. No? And then after that, we change, sa division, we copy the dividend, which is this one, and then we change the division sign to multiplication, and then we get the reciprocal of this one, of the divisor. No? So magiging reciprocal, babalik rin natin siya, magiging x minus 3 over 2x. No? So pwede na tayo mag-cancel, pwede natin cancel to, magiging 1. We cancel this, magiging 1. And then yung x squared tsaka 2x, x squared is x times x, so meron pa tayo matitirang x dito. At mawawala yung isang x natin dito. So meaning the quotient is x times 1, which is x over 2 times quantity, this is 2x plus 3, or equals 2x plus 6. So sa ibang teacher, kinoconsider na nila to, pero yung ibang teacher ay gusto pa rin ipa-simplify, ipa-distribute pag natapos na yung factoring. No? So, depende na, ang tanong nyo na sa teacher yung kung alin mas gusto nilang answer. Sa akin, I would consider both of these correct. No? Okay, we have the next number. We have a squared minus 4a plus 3 divided by 2a. A squared minus 4a plus 3 over a minus 5 divided by 2a minus 6 over 2a minus 10. No? So, ang a squared minus 4a plus 3, pwede natin siya i-factor as a minus 1 tsaka a minus 3. No? Ang technique dyan is meron tayong sum na negative 4 tsaka product na 3. No? So, anong number na ang sum ay negative 4 at product 3? Ano ba yung mga numbers na ang product ay 3? Dalawang numbers. We have 1 and 3. We have negative 1 and negative 3. So, ito yun, no? Minus 1 tsaka minus 3. Kaya a minus 1, a minus 3. No? Yung ating numerator. Sa denominator, we have a minus 5. Tapos ito, babalik rin natin. 2a minus 10 can be factored as 2 times quantity a minus 5. And then yung sa baba, or denominator natin, can be factored as 2 times quantity a minus 3. No? So pag dinistribute nyan, babalik siya dito, no? Sa 2a minus 10, at pag dinistribute nyo to, it will become 2a minus 6. No? So, may pwede ba tayong cancel? We can cancel this. Magiging 1, no? And then we can also cancel this. And then yung 2 over 2 can also be cancelled. So, anong natira? A minus 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to a minus 1. And then yung denominator natin ay 1 times 1, which is 1, which is equal to a minus 1. So pag denominator natin 1, syempre, a minus 1 divided by 1 is a minus 1. So ito na yung pinaka-final answer natin. Okay, so next we have x squared plus x over 2x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 1 over x plus 2. So, pwede natin i-factor. So, magiging x times quantity x plus 1. Ang common nila is x. So, pwede natin ilabas yung x. So, x squared divided by x is x. And then x divided by x is 1. So, ito naman, pwede rin natin i-factor. Magiging 2 times quantity x plus 2. And then, yung division, magiging multiplication. And then, babalik na rin natin to. So, x plus 2 over x squared minus 1. Anong factor nito? Pwede ba natin i-factor? This is again difference of 2 squares. So, magiging x plus 1 times x minus 1. So, we can cancel. Magiging 1. We can cancel, magiging 1. So, matitira sa taas is x times 1 times 1, which is x. And yung nasa ibaba ay 2 times 1 times 1 times x minus 1, which is equal to 2 times quantity x minus 1, or x over 2x minus 2. So, ito na yung ating pinakasagot. Now, napapansin nyo siguro na sa rational expressions, most of the time, kailangan nyo mag-factor, no? At kaya, syempre, kailangan nyo kailangan nyo malaman yung laws of exponents, no? So, tignan nyo yung series natin, on laws of exponents. So, dito kasi mag-factor kayo, tapos ang final answer niyo i-multiply nyo, syempre, kasi the division problem is converted to a multiplication problem. So, after factoring, after cancelling out, after division, mag-multiply din kayo. No? So, you have to know the laws of exponents. And of course, may mga variable na minsan dinidivide nyo rin siya. So, yun. Again, that's laws of exponents. That's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Gusto ko i-invite pala bago tayo magtapos sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/ziplineph, and our YouTube channel. No? Marami na tayong videos yan. More than 700 videos already. So, youtube.com/user/ziplineph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next video.